In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make $5 for every 10 seconds worth of work, with no skills, experience, or investments. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So, the site in question that we will be using today in order to make a lot of money online is called Sprizzy.com. This is a site you might have heard about before, but if you haven't, you can see right here what it's for. Make your video go viral. Our platform is simple and easy to use. We put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. Get big results with even the smallest budget. So, as you've just heard, this in essence helps with your video popularity. So this tool is perfect for people who are struggling to get views on their videos and want more exposure. As simple as that. Now, something I really love about this tool, guys, are its reviews. As you can see, we have a 4.9 star rating here, with some giant companies being showcased, such as Google, Honda, and so on. And it's not just on their homepage that the reviews are amazing. If you come over to Trustpilot.com, you'll see that it has fantastic reviews on here as well, with 4.7 stars and over 300 reviews thus far. Just over 80% of people rated it as excellent, and only a total of 8% rated it as poor and bad. So it's a very legitimate platform, guys, and these reviews will be very important for us. But not because we will be using Sprizzy, so don't worry, you won't be like creating YouTube videos and then using Sprizzy to get views, nothing like that. Anyways, how Sprizzy exactly helps you get views on YouTube, you can see right here. You first off tell Sprizzy what kind of audience you want to target. This, of course, depends on the type of video you're creating, whether they're gaming videos, funny videos, or others. What happens from there is basically Sprizzy does all of the work. They will use YouTube ads, as you can see right here, to advertise and promote your videos to people who will actually want to view it. And of course, the end result of that is more views, subscribers, and engagement, as is said here. Further down, you will see who is working with Sprizzy at the moment, and just below that, you can see that in what niche the channel is doesn't matter whatsoever. In any case, since you now know how this tool works, which was important for me to explain and show you guys, I will skip going over all the other stuff showcased on their homepage, but of course, if you're interested, feel free to read it all. What you need to do on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on Affiliate Program right over here. That will now take you straight over to this page, and yes, we will indeed be promoting Sprizzy as an affiliate, and the main reason is simply put that a lot of people need Sprizzy. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms, with nearly 40 million different YouTube channels out there. This is very important, guys, because this means that you have an endless pool of people who will need Sprizzy. In other words, you have an endless pool of potential customers. And this is very important with affiliate marketing, because if nobody wants to use the site you're promoting, then you can't make any money. As simple as that. Now, with that big upside, there is a bit of a downside to Sprizzy's affiliate program, which I have to mention. And that is the fact that it only offers 20% commissions, which isn't a lot. But I think that the sheer number of customers more than makes up for it. In any case, what you now need to do is simply sign up to their affiliate program by entering in your first and last names, email address, your password, click on I'm Not a Robot right here, tick this box, and finally, click on Sign Up Now to create your account. And once you do, you'll want to grab that affiliate link from there. With that done, your next step now is to come over to docs.google.com, and you'll want to click on blank right here. From there, you'll want to write a guide of some sort to growing a YouTube channel, and in this guide, you will also tell people about a site that will be of immense help to them, like I have down below. And leave your affiliate link next to it so people can go check it out. Now, in case you don't know what to write particularly, just use Google, guys, and search for something along the lines of how to grow a YouTube channel. And from all of these pages, you'll want to find a few of the most common tips they give out to people, and you'll want to give out the same tips in your own guide. And as I said, you will also leave the link to Sprizzy here as well. Now, we will be giving this guide out to people for absolutely free. And not only will this actually help them, since these are proven steps that they need to undertake in order to grow, but we will also be getting quite a few clicks on that affiliate link, which will make us a lot of money. And this is precisely where Sprizzy's amazing reviews come in. You can mention the reviews in the guide as well, but in any case, when some people who need Sprizzy come on their site and see their reviews, they will be more willing to pay them, since now they have assurance that they're not wasting their money and that it will actually pay off. So the reviews help out a ton when you're promoting something as an affiliate. Anyways, back to Google Docs. What you need to do when you finish this guide is grab its link. And to do so, click on Share right here. From there, you'll need to click on Change to anyone with the link, so that anyone who clicks on this link will actually be able to view this guide. And only then will you click on Copy Link in order to copy it. With that done now, guys, I will show you exactly where to find potential customers. And Facebook groups is where we will be finding them. So you want to type in YouTube growth, YouTube channel growth, or something like that, and then select groups right down here. This will now show you all the groups relating to YouTube that you will then want to join. And as you may guess, we will be giving away that guide to the members. And those members we know will need Sprizzy since they are part of such groups. However, here's the thing. If you post something on here that looks like an ad, people will automatically just scroll past it without even bothering to check it out whatsoever. And in that way, you won't be getting any clicks on your affiliate link. And so what you need to do is write a script similar to this one right here, guys. You want to write something along the lines of, I will help 50 people grow their YouTube channels with this step-by-step guide for free. In order to participate, like this post and type done below, and I will send it to you. Now, it doesn't have to be 50 people per se. It can be 100, 150, 200 people. It doesn't matter. The point is that you want to create a sense of urgency with the members, and doing that will result in many more wanting to check out your guide. And when they start liking the post and commenting on it, you will obviously send them your Google Docs link, and from there you will start making a lot of money in passive income, basically since your post will remain on that page forever. Now, what you can do alternatively is talk to the individual members of the group instead of leaving a post. This is a slower and harder but more effective method to get clicks to your link. Tell people about the amazing reviews of Sprizzy. Just go through all of its features and how it gets people views, and people will be willing to check it out. And you will be able to make a lot of money. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it, if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.